Greta
pancake.
88 or what?
Oh, pancake.
Greta.
Bretta.
I'm thinking Greta here because he's pretty close.
Oh, shit. Yeah. We had a prop war.
I need to not be where I'm at.
Hey, Greta, how you doing?
Your boy gonna die.
Hit him.
I got very, very over rambunctious. And I might pay for it here very shortly.
Got something on him.
Okay, they're breaking off. Whoever's over here, Jono, you might have one or two dudes coming for you, so to speak.
Okay.
What'd you do to somebody?
Oh, show you the clip.
I can't tell if my wings are blacked or if it's just the way my plane looks.
I'll say that.
Hit O and look at O, and it'll show you like an X-ray. Should you black?
Yes.
Yeah, the wings black.
Both wings are black, so should I go back?
Here, now. Pelt him with 7.6s.
Whoa!
He's mad at me. Okay.
Is black the worst damage or the best
Yes.
damage?
Oh, it's kind of flying like dog.
Okay, well then I'm moving for this.
Good shit.
That's nice stuff.
One more.
Get this HE.
Give me another pilot knock just for the meme.
He's smoking.
So screwed.
That was me hitting his radiator. Into the floor.
Yep.
Yes.
Nice.
Well done, fellers.